Hello Miss Era and my friend. My name is Iputu Andika Laksmana Sugiarta and my topic is the usage of e-wallets among teenagers. So let's get started. Gen Z teenagers today are very familiar with technological developments, especially in terms of digital payment methods. Most of them now prefer to use e-wallets such as GoPay, Dana, OVO, and other digital wallets because they are considered practical and fast. With just a smartphone, they can easily make payment without carrying cash. This convenience makes e-wallets very popular among Gen Z teenagers in daily life. However, behind this convenience, many teenagers do not realize that using e-wallets too often can make them more consumptive because payment are made digitally. They tend to spend money without thinking carefully, which can uh, cause them to run out of money more quickly. Mm, I think this habit can become a problem if it's not Controlled properly, yes. On the other hand, the use of e-wallets also shows that Gen Z teenagers are technologically literate and able to adapt quickly to modern developments. Uh, this also proves that they have great potential to grow along with technological advance. Therefore, the use of e-wallets among Gen Z teenagers has both positive and negative impacts uh, that need to be understood and addressed wisely. This convenience also creates problems in managing money. Since payment can be done quickly, spending more often does not feel real. Uh, so so many Gen Z users become more impulsive and spend money without careful planning. As a result, their wallet balance can run out without them realizing it. In addition, many promotions such as cashback and discount uh, that attract Gen Z to spend more even when the product or service are not really needed. This promotion gives the feeling of saving money, but actually encourage more spending in the end. Money is often used for wants instead of important needs. Another problem is the lack of budgeting habits. Many Gen Z individuals are not used to recording their expenses or separating money for needs. For or separating money for needs, saving and entertain. Using multiple e-wallets also makes money management harder because the balance is spread across different apps, making it difficult to how much money they actually have. Low financial literacy is also can an important factor, and some Gen Z individuals do not fully understand the importance of saving money. Preparing an emergency fund or planning for the future. On the top of that, social media and peer influence make them feel pressure um, to follow trends so they do not feel left out. Even when their financial situation does not support it. Therefore, greater awareness and better money management habits are needed so that wallets can be helpful tools instead of a source of financial problems, I think. To solve these problems of e-wallets usage among Gen Z, the first step is to limit the number of e-wallets. Uh, Spending can be monitored more easily. Gen Z also needs to get used making simple budget, such as separating money for daily needs, saving, and entertainment. having a budget. Having a budget helps control spending and prevents overspending. Uh, in addition, it is important to record every expense either manually or by using a finance tracking app. These habits helps people to understand where their money goes and avoid unnecessary spending. Promotion and discount should be used wisely, only for items or service that are truly needed, not just because they are cheaper. Also, Gen Z also needs to improve financial literacy by understanding the importance of saving, preparing an emergency fund, and planning the future. Yeah, exactly. Reducing the influence of social media and not always following trends can help keep finance stable by building good money management habits early. Yes, a wallets can become useful tools for managing money responsibly instead of causing financial problems. Use and then Using a wallet among Gen Z makes transaction very easy, but it also creates challenge in managing money. The convenience of payment, many promotions, and the influence of social media and peers can encourage impulsive spending and uncontrolled expense. A lack of budgeting habit low financial literacy increases this risk even more. Therefore, Gen Z needs to use a wallet wisely, developing good money management habits. Uh, Distinguishing between needs and wants, and improving their understanding of personal finance so that a wallet become helpful rather than source of financial problems. A wallet makes a wallet makes it very convenient for Gen Z to make a payment, but if money isn't managed carefully, they can lead careless spending and impulsive purchases. Easy transaction, tempting promotion, social media trend, and limited financial knowledge can make this problem worse. To avoid these issues, Gen Z should practice smart money habits, know the difference between what they need and what they want, and improve their financial awareness. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you. I'm sorry if there are any word that I want to say. Thank you to you guys. Bye bye.